Hi, Hot Wheel collectors, diecast collectors. JC here, and just wanted to give you a continuation of what I found at the flea market today on Sunday. And got some good things. I got this one here, which is a Matchbox. Just go right into it. Matchbox police radar. But actually, all of these are going to be more related to police radar. Still in this package. The package is pretty burnt up. This one's from actually 2004. Not that old, but let's go and open it up. And we got a nice little Hero City decal. A little sticker, I guess. Oh. A little treasure chest. And there it is. Cute. It does move. That's really nice. And then the other thing I started on the other video is picked up these muscle machines. These are from 2004. So they're all of these. I'll show you. Start out with the 57 Plymouth Fury. These packages, once again, also just terrible. Set them free. I found a home with me. I do get I guess a card. And now it is the 57 Plymouth Fury. It's got rubber tires on it. There it is. Very nice. Sharp. It says in there, Muscle Machines Police Department. Focus this. Really cool. That's the first one. That's the Plymouth Fury. There we've got the 41 Police Coupe. The package is gone already. Cars are ready to go out if we let out this package. And a little playing card. Rubber tires again. All of them have rubber tires. Nice detail down here. Sweet. Two of them there. Now these I got $2 a piece. So the Ford sedan delivery. This one doesn't open. This one wants to stay in here. Oh. Okay. There it is. Focus. Engine on top in black. And two more to go. They all do got a little card. waiting for that one. This is the 29 Ford Model A. This is my favorite one. Little paddy wagon on the back. I love it. This is my favorite. And then the last one is the 50 Ford Woody. Also, this one has the like a built-in paddy wagon. That's shiny. First time out of their packages. There they all are. So that's what I found today, and once again, thanks for watching. Leave your comments and subscribe, please. And happy collecting, and I'll see ya.